What happened? You pull the trigger on your DYSON V10 and crick, silence, alarm. Yep, what you're seeing is one of the most frustrating problems our customers face. Are you curious what exactly happened? Well, watch this. The culprit? Usually it's a total motor failure. Over time, internal wear or faulty electrical components can cause the motor to seize or pulse as a safety fallback. If you keep forcing it, you aren't just killing the motor. You're risking a fried circuit board or a dead battery. Basically, your vacuum is one trigger pull away from becoming a very expensive paperweight. Our customer almost tried a DIY fix, but let's be real, the risk is huge. One wrong move and you've got a misdiagnosis. You buy a new battery, but it was the motor. You open it up and suddenly you have extra screws you don't recognize. Double the cost, triple the headache. Skip the stress and trust RoboCare. We handle the surgery so you don't have to. At RoboCare, we don't believe in guesswork. We have the specialized tools and genuine parts to handle the DYSON V10 motor failure without the drama. We perform a precision teardown to pinpoint the exact failure, ensuring we address the root cause rather than just the symptoms. We don't just fix it, we guarantee it works like the day you unboxed it. It's professional and honestly, totally hassle-free. Check this out. This DYSON V10 is back to its factory fresh glory. Peak suction, zero stuttering, and 100% reliability. That's the RoboCare difference. Your vacuum feels brand new again. Don't gamble with your DYSON. Contact RoboCare today and let us handle the heavy lifting. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.